Hello everyone, it's another edition of Law Weekly on Channels Television, and I'm glad to have you join me on the program. For the next few weeks, I'll be standing in for your regular host, Shola Shoeli. I'm Victoria Idowu. Welcome to the program. Today on Law Weekly, it is the commencement of the 2016-2017 legal year, and the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, Justice Ibrahim Auta, is asking judges to be unbiased in their judgments. Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Ahmed Raji, speaks on the main responsibility of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, and other issues. The Chief Justice of the Federation, Justice Mahmood Mohammed, calls on judges to stop the delay in dispensing justice in Nigeria. Let's get to it. We start in Abuja, where the 2016-2017 legal year has commenced, with the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, Justice Ibrahim Auta, calling on all judges to be more firm and unbiased in the delivery of judgments. Speaking against the backdrop of the challenges and successes of the High Court during the last legal year, Justice Auta asked judges to ensure that the decisions they make do not create room for anarchy. He, however, expresses satisfaction over the speedy adjudication of justice during the 2015-2016 legal year.
I therefore urge my brother judges to search their conscience before taking any judicial decision. You do not have to know all the law, but your decision must be one that even the party who lost will have cause to appreciate your intellect and scholarship and call to duty. You must therefore take decisions that you can defend even before God.
Meanwhile, lawyers have been speaking on the just concluded 2015-2016 legal year. The president of the Nigerian Bar Association says the past year had been very eventful, with over 16,000 cases filed between September 2015 and June 2016, and over 13,000 disposed of. It says that although the judiciary faced several challenges in 2015, the coming year will be a lot better.
It has been a very eventful year for the Federal High Court especially, as we've had from the Chief Judge of the Court. Over 16,000 cases were filed, and we've been able to dispose of 13,000, which I think is very good. Although I'm sure there's still areas of improvement. There's been a lot of expansion in the court itself. Number of justices increased, and there have also been other developments, especially in the deployment of ICT for the court, and more work is being done in that area. But there are also many challenges which we have expressed concern about. The situation of the court, for instance, in Lagos is a cause for concern. We have urged the administration of the Federal High Court to do something about it, because lawyers and judges are working under very unhealthy conditions in very small courtrooms, sometimes jam-packed, hardly any place to stand, not to talk about sitting and putting down your files. So we're hoping there will be improvements in that. We've raised issues of concern about conflicting decisions of the court, and the Chief Judge has assured us that they will do their own part, and the Nigeria Bar Association will also do its own part. Our members who are found to be complicit in this will be dealt with by the Bar Association according to its rules. So by and large, I think the legal year has witnessed tremendous successes, and we will try to work on the areas of challenges that we have observed.
It's a great misfeeling. Like you had the Chief Justice of Nigeria and even the CJ of Federal High Court saying, it's a year that we witnessed some conflicting decisions of courts. And having entered the 2016-2017, the President of the Bar had assured, the Chief Justice of Nigeria had assured that our houses will be put in order so that we witness real delivery of justice. No more delay of justice, no more hanky-panky in the administration of justice.
The National Judiciary Council is set to probe judges involved in the recent conflicting judgment emanating from the courts of equal jurisdiction. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Mahmood Mohammed, who announced this during the swearing-in of new senior advocates of Nigeria, says the action of judges involved in conflicting judgments is embarrassing to the judiciary. He warns that the newly inducted senior advocates of Nigeria to be above board in the discharge of their professional duties, saying the National Judiciary Council will not hesitate to sanction erring lawyers.
The courtroom is filled to capacity as lawyers converged on the Supreme Court to witness the conferring of the rank of Senior Advocates of Nigeria on 22 lawyers. Among the 22 new Senior Advocates of Nigeria are the Director General of the Nigerian Law School, Mr. Olanrewaju Onodeko, and the Secretary of the 2014 National Conference, Mrs. Valerie Azinge. At the occasion, the Chief Justice of Nigeria condemns the recent conflicting judgments by courts of equal jurisdiction. He also warned against politicizing the appointment of a Chief Justice of Nigeria.
In the area of judicial appointments, there had been in the past major criticism of the processes of appointment of judges, and I am glad to report that the previous 12 months oversaw great changes in the integrity of the system of appointment to the bench. Some assumptions, since assumption of office, I have worked to strengthen the process through the use of the 2014 revised National Judicial Council guidelines and procedure rules for appointment of judicial officers of all superior courts of records in Nigeria. The National Judicial Council new guidelines provide more comprehensive, robust, and transparent method of appointment, leading to the emergence of only the best legal minds in the high moral standards and transparent temperament to serve as our judges. My Lord, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, while it is true to say that the judiciary faces various challenges, we must address these challenges, and by guaranteeing that the judiciary is blind to extraneous consideration. This requires us all, legal practitioners, senior advocates of Nigeria, professional prosecutorial agencies, court staff, and judges to commit to speedy, fair, and transparent system of justice. I leave you all with the charge to us to remember that justice is not limited to our generation, but it is one that most valuable virtues that we can bequeath to posterity. I therefore call us all to do better, to last year, to work to deliver the sort of justice that will restore our battered reputation in the eyes of our fellow citizens.
The president of the Nigerian Bar Association advises the new senior advocates of Nigeria to be patriotic.
We work for the same objectives. I think we must swim or sink together. On our own part, we will continue to be strong advocates of greater independence of the judiciary. We'll champion its cause. We'll guard its reputation jealously. But that means we'll fight even those within who seek to undermine its reputation.
The Director General of the Nigerian Law School and a female senior advocate pledged the commitment of the new silks to uphold the ethics of the profession.
We should be role models and mentors to junior ones, so mentorship is an important part of our responsibility now to ensure that those coming behind are properly groomed for the profession and for the sustenance of all the aspirations and the goodwill and, of course, the progress of the profession.
The conferment of these 22 senior advocates of Nigeria has increased the number of silks in the Nigerian bar to 451.
Coming up after the break. Senior Advocates of Nigeria Ahmed Raji speaks to Channels Television on the functionality of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Stay with us.